Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. So, in today's lesson, we'll practice all of the sounds we worked on from Lesson 8 to Lesson 16. We'll also look at some special difficult words and practice them. First, let's look at some words that use your teeth. Th and v. Use your bottom lip and upper teeth. Th sounds, use your tongue and teeth. Let's try these phrases. Think fast. Think fast. Father and mother feel very differently about the weather. Father and mother feel very differently about the weather. Now, the English sh and ch sounds are a little further back in your mouth compared to the Japanese shi and chi sounds. The tongue tip goes up. So try sh. Lips are round. Let's practice. She's from Asia. She's from Asia. Jeff is a teacher. Jeff is a teacher. Now, the Japanese sound is a little different, right? J, Jeff. Teach, teacher. It's a little different. Jeff, English. Jeff, Japanese. Teacher, English. Teacher, Japanese. Can you hear it? Okay, now the sh and s sounds both use the tongue tip to make a tube. S. But the s sound is further front. Be careful, we don't want to make the shi sound to say see, or the ji sound to say z. Try these. Do you see my zebra? Do you see my zebra? It's simple. Just send a zip file. It's simple. Just send a zip file. When you're saying the English T sound, be careful to use your tongue tip, not the middle of your tongue. Try these. My team made a deal. My team made a deal. If you're using the Japanese sound, it will sound like team, team. We don't want it. We want T, team. Next, buy a ticket on Steam. Buy a ticket on Steam. Make sure we don't want steam. We don't want chi, ticket. No. T, sti. Next, to make the English sound, make your lips round. Pull your tongue back and curl it, just like the sh sound. But don't touch. We want a space behind your tongue tip, in front of your tongue, and between your lips. We need spaces here to make the right sound. Let's try these phrases. Reading, writing, and arithmetic. reading, writing, and arithmetic. Run around. Run around. Okay, now if you're using the Japanese sound, it will sound like ra, 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 run around. Right? We don't want that ra, ra, ra. Don't touch. Ra, ra, ra. It's like ya, but in the front of your mouth. Ra, ra. Okay, the English L sound is pretty simple, actually, but you need to practice. Touch behind your teeth and let the air move past the sides of the tongue. L, l, l. Try these phrases. Lead or follow. I'll do it here. Lead or follow. Look at the lilies. Look at the lilies. Now, be sure you're not making the Japanese sound. That's just a quick touch. Ra, ra, ra. Look at the lilies. That's very fast. The English one is longer. Look, lilies, l. Now, when two or more sounds are together, be careful. Don't insert an extra sound. Try to say them together. This needs a lot of practice. It's like playing a chord on a guitar. It's difficult the first time, but if you practice 10,000 times, you'll be a master. So when we say splash, we don't want supurash. Sp, sp, pl, pl, spl, spl, splash. Okay, try these phrases. Please explain this text. Please explain this text. Now, the Japanese way will put e and u into this word. And you'll say explain. Explain. We don't want that. Cut the e and the u and the u. They have to go together. We want to say ek, sple, sple, explain. Explain. And we don't want tekisuto. This e, this u, and this extra o, they're not there. So not tekisuto. Text. Text. Try just the ks. Ks, ks, ks. Try st. St, st. Now together. Text. Text. Okay, next phrase. I like the green and black dress. I like the green and black dress. Now this DR, if you think of this like the J sound, like my name, Jeff, you'll be a little closer. Dr, dr, dress. Now, vowels before a voiced sound, s, no. Z, yes, voiced sound. B, g, z. Vowels before a voiced sound are longer, and vowels before a voiceless sound, s, k, t, p, are shorter. In Japanese, we always end with a vowel sound, and that helps us to hear the consonant before, like ice, eyes. In English, this information is saved in the vowel before, so we can still hear the difference. Ice, eyes, ice, eyes. Try these pairs. Go to the site. Go to the side. Go to the site. Go to the side. The side is a little longer. We need more spice. We need more spies. We need more spice. We need more spies. Spies is a little longer. It has the z sound. Put it in the pot. Put it in the pod. Put it in the pot. Put it in the pod. You almost can't hear the t and d, but we know the difference from the sound before, from the ah before. Put it in the pot. Put it in the pod. Okay. Now, when T is between two vowels, Americans change it to the ra sound, like Japanese ragyo. The change doesn't happen if the next sound is stressed, though. So we'll say butter, butter, and water, water. But we don't say fatigue. No, fatigue. The tig is strong, so we keep the T. Now, when the next word starts with a consonant, the T sound becomes like a small ts in Japanese. So try the first one, samu. Okay, now try it with the English words. Get loud. Get loud. Put down. Put down. Let's try some phrases. You'd better hit back. You'd better hit back. I stepped in the water, and now I have wet shoes. Not wet shoes. Wet shoes. I stepped in the water, and now I have wet shoes. Now, we don't use at the end of a word in English. It's always n, and it connects to the next word. For words, he, him, his, and her lose their H after another consonant. So we change from he's a man in his 30s. We say he's a man in his 30s. Try it slowly. He's a man in his 30s. He's a man in his 30s. Let's try some phrases. Can I have a pen and paper? A little slowly. Can I have a pen and paper? Can I have a pen and paper? Give her an ice cream cone. No cone. Give her an ice cream. Give her an ice cream. Try the second one. Give her a nice cream. Give her a nice cream. This a nice, it's the same. The stress is different. Ice cream. Nice cream. Ba-ba. Ba-ba. That's the only difference. Okay, now let's try some difficult words. So, these ones are especially difficult for Japanese English speakers. Visitor. Try the word visitor. Most Japanese learners will try to say it in katakana. Bijita. Bijita. This is very different from the English word, visitor. It sounds like the Dragon Ball character, Vegeta. Use your lip and teeth for the v, b. Relax the vowel. Not E, V, no. The, the. The second syllable is Z, z. Not G. Flap the T sound, ra, 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 and pull your tongue back into r, 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 r. Very slowly. V, z, r. Visitor. 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 You should think of the word ticket in English as a different word from Japanese chiketto. The first sound is a te, not chi. The first syllable is strong, te, not the second. Japanese chiketto, chiketto. Don't make a strong to sound. Instead, stop quickly at the end in your throat. So we'll have a sound like this. Ticket. Ticket. A little more slowly. Te. Ke. Ticket. Ticket. One more difficult word. Information. Information. Watch out for the n and f sounds in this word. Information. Every n is like na. Na. Not like So we don't want information. No. In. Be careful to pull your tongue back for the sh sound. Sh. No. Shang. No. Sh. Shun. This shun sound is very common, so it's good to practice it. Shun. Let's try this word slowly. In. Fur. May. Shun. Information. 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 All right, in the next lesson, we'll start looking at the rhythm and melody of English. These points will make a really big difference in how people react to your English. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. See you next time. Bye-bye.